the LG V20 user here. Today I'm doing a video on the Moto G6 Verizon Prepaid. So this is a new phone, Verizon Prepaid, that recently got released. So this is the Moto G6 right here. This is not the G6 Play. They've had that for a while now, so now they got the G6, and this is a better spec version than the G6 Play. So that's the phone right there in front of you. So you guys will see that the Moto G6 is 240 at Verizon, and it's available in black, and it's only available in 32 gigabytes of storage. So keep that in mind. So on the front of the phone, you guys have a camera, earpiece, front-facing camera flash. That's always nice to have. A fingerprint sensor at the bottom, your Motorola logo, and you have a microphone right here. Alright, so there your microphone right there, and you got this they like the green wallpaper. That looks very nice. And you have an 18:9 screen on this one here. Your power button on the right side, volume button is on the right side as well. Alright, so yeah, nice looking phone and whatnot. There's the right side front here. It's got volume button and power button, and your camera just got just a bit there. On the back of the Moto G6, you guys have dual cameras, dual camera flash. So what it looks like here, your Motorola logo and your Verizon logo on the back. On the left side, you don't have nothing. It's kind of hard to tell what's there. It's available in black. It's kind of hard to tell. Yeah, it says with a Full HD Plus Max Vision screen and stylish 3D glass back, the Moto G6 was designed to impress. Put your creativity on display with dual rear-facing cameras and advanced photo enhancement tools. Run multiple apps and play the newest games using a powerful Snapdragon 1.8 GHz octa-core processor. Even stay unplugged for an entire day thanks to a long-lasting 3000 mAh battery. Verizon delivers consistency, fast speeds in more places than any other 4G LTE network, unlocking the full potential of your Moto G6 Prepaid. Alright, so like I said, the Moto G6 at Verizon Prepaid is 240. So keep that in mind. So the Moto G6 has 13.9 days of standby time, 26 hours of usage time, dual 12 megapixel cameras. I think one might be 12 and another one might be 8 megapixels on back. 2.84 inches width and 6.5 inches height. Alright, truly cinematic. You experience movies, games, and more on a screen that covers your phone from one edge to another. The Moto G6 includes a 5.7-inch Full HD Plus Max Vision display for a more immersive viewing experience, and an 18:9 ratio lets you capture more on your screen without the scrolling. Style that lasts. Show off to friends and family with a stylish and shiny 3D glass back that reflects light from every angle. Cornering over the glass prevents scratches from damaging the smoothness and luster of your display, while a water-repellent nano coating protects your smartphone from spills, splashes, and light rain. The Moto G6 is not waterproof. Alright guys, unleash your creativity. Do more with your phone using the 12 megapixel and 5 megapixel rear cameras. Control background blur, record time-lapse videos, or bring your creations to life with active photos. Then swap to the 8 megapixel front camera to take selfies with fun and amazing filters. Alright, so the front camera is 8 megapixels, the rear camera is 12 and 5 megapixels. So yeah, not too bad. All day battery life. Go unplug for the moment you wake up in the morning until the point you fall asleep at night. The Moto G6 3000 mAh battery lets you go up to 24 hours between charges, and when it's time to get ready for the day ahead, the included turbo power charger Supplies your phone with hours of battery life in just a matter of minutes, alright? Performance you can rely on. Enjoy smoother performance for your apps, movies, videos, and more. The Moto G6 Snapdragon 1.8 GHz octa-core processor comes with powerful graphic capabilities for running the latest games and allows for even faster web browsing on Verizon's 4G LTE network. So what you guys get in the Moto G6 box is the Moto G6 prepaid smartphone, pre-installed SIM card, wall micro USB charger. It is micro USB 2.0 charging, no Type-C. It has SIM tool and it has guides like like books and all that and whatnot. It's CDMA, of course. It uses time 26 hours, standby time 13.9 days. Front camera is 12 megapixel rear camera with 5 megapixel camera on back as well. The width is 2.84 inches. The weight of the phone is 5.73 ounces. The height is 6.5 inches. There's your dimensions there, and the depth is 0.32 inches. 5.7 inch display is Full HD plus, 18:9 screen, 3000 mAh battery, and 8.0 Oreo, 32 GB of ROM, 3 GB of RAM. Privacy cards are up to 128 gig. There's your star ratings there and whatnot, and all that. If you guys need help with your Moto G6, Verizon is here to help you out with that with device support. You guys learn about features and settings about the Moto G6 plans, so that's why device support is here to help you out with that. So check that out. So there it is, guys. The Moto G6 is at Verizon Prepaid for $240. This is the better version of the Moto G6 Play. This is if you guys want a Moto G6 on Verizon Prepaid, this is the phone to get right here. Because it has a front-facing camera flash, it has better specs than the Moto G6 Play. It has better specs on it. So yeah, the battery is a bit smaller, from 4,000 to 3,000 mAh battery, but the specs on here will make up for that. Alright, so there it is, guys. Moto G6 at Verizon Prepaid for $240. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Peace, rate, comment, subscribe. Thanks very much for watching my video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.